Wednesday night, if you wanna feel alright, come to Citóg. They got live music and reasonably priced drinks at Citóg. Cole McCormick played the first set. It was hot, 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 hot shit. No bowler, and they're gonna take it up another fucking notch. Let's fuck it up, baby. Jay's on the sound tonight. Put your hand on your crotch for Jay. I said put your hand on your crotch for Jay. He likes it that way. When other people do that to themselves. There's a Facebook and a Twitter too, and Dave Bolin is primarily responsible for those two, so please put your hand on your own ass for Mr. David Bolin. Yeah, let's kick it up another fucking notch now. Yeah, my name is Brian Kelly, ladies and gentlemen. It's my 5th time playing Citóg. Every Wednesday night at the Cellar Bar right here in glorious downtown Galway. Satire! I want to give yourself a round of applause. I want y'all to give yourself a round of applause. No, not like that. You know what I mean. Get down there. Get those hands down there. I mean the other kind of applause. Yeah. It's like that dream I had last night where Jay and David were kissing. Fuck. I woke up covered in sweat and Lucozade. Which is really weird. I wasn't drinking Lucozade when I went to bed. Thanks. Okay, now that you're all standing up, I'm going to bring proceedings to a close.